Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use QR code scanner in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the notification area and there you will find QR code scanner. Okay, click on QR code here and scanner will be opened and under this scanner bring any QR code. Here I bring this QR code and it is scanned. Okay, see the info here. Okay, again I am doing. Okay, just I open QR code and I scan it. Okay, yes, so you can also do QR code scanner from photo gallery. Click on QR code and if you have any QR code from your gallery, click on scan from photo and select any photo that you have in your folder. Okay, see here. No photo is available. So first take a photo. I am taking this photo. Okay, and from this photo I would like to scan. Okay, so QR code scanner I have opened and scan from phone and select the photo that has QR code and that is showing now. Okay, it is scanned. So in this way you can easily use QR code scanner in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.